Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Let's have a discussion whether you need to make the notes or you should rely on your classroom PDF. If I will talk about the notes, then every student need to write down his or her handwritten notes so that whenever you want to go for the revision, those notes will help you in terms of the revision. It will give you better clarity, just like as right now you are learning in the classroom. So there is a debate. Always the students are asking to us the question that ma'am, can we rely directly on the PDF? Can we download the PDF? Beta, when you will download the PDF of each and every subject, then at the last, means in month of the December or January, when you want to go for the revision, then you will have thousands of the PDF. Even for single subject, you will have hundreds of the PDF, and it will give you more depression. It will give you more tension that how I will revise my things. But if you are having notes in your hand, which is your handwritten notes, where you are having everything specifically how to make notes, that also I will tell you. But if you are having your own handwritten notes, your friend's note will not help you. Only and only your handwritten notes, while you are watching the lecture, while you are learning in the classroom, either in the offline or in the online, when you are making the notes in your own handwriting, in your own language, that will help you every time. So how to make the notes? First of all, a student, whoever wants to prepare for the GATE exam, you should always have a clarity in your mind that I will make clear and the beautiful notes. And other than this, you should sit at least with the 2 or 3 color pen while you are learning in the classroom. So you should start with the heading with the different color pen so that everything will be clearly visible. Let's take example of the linear algebra. You are learning in the linear algebra, and when you enter to the rank of the matrix, so you should write down very clearly this is the rank of matrix. Then after that, the content also you should write down with the different color pen, so it will be clearly visible to you all the important properties, all the important content. And the third, if the teacher is talking about in the classroom about any trick or any specific shortcut, then you should write down that also with the different color pen. So what is the thing which help you when you are giving lots of the effort? So when you will go for the revision in month of the October or in the November onwards, then when you will open it now, it will give you exactly crystal clarity. While when you will open your notes, you can see, yeah, this is the very clear thing. I can see, I can manage it very easily, and you can recall each and everything whatever you learned in the classroom. So I will suggest to each and every student, you guys need to make the notes, okay, in your own language. You should not rely on the PDF. So here, when you are making the notes, you need to understand few tips also. The first one is, don't take notes from the notes. So means if you are having some, as I told you, if you are having your friend's notes and you are just copying that one, then it will not help you guys. The second thing, say no to the multiple notes. It's not that you are taking the notes of the live online classes or the offline classes also, and you are taking notes of your other friend, okay. So different sources should not be there for the notes. Wherever you are learning, whenever you are learning, and whatever the method you are learning, either in the offline or in the online, you need to make the notes while sitting in the classroom, while you are learning in the classroom only. And the third point is, leave space for the future edition. Now suppose in month of the October, when you want to revise, and suppose you just click, or the faculty told you that time, or somewhere you learned that trick, so you should have some space also. Or if it is not possible, then you can use the sticky notes also in that case. The fourth thing is avoid over decoration. Now, it should not that you are making their design. No, it should be beautiful, but it should having only 3 color, maximum 4 color. But I will suggest to go with the 2 or 3 color pen. So for the heading, for the content, and for the shortcut. Okay, next is the make flower charts, flow charts. You are having flow charts, diagrams, whatever you are having in your subject, you need to make those also. Revise regularly, and yeah, definitely this is important thing. Whenever you want to go for the revision, you need to use your own notes only. So classify notes. Even I will suggest you, once you are learning in the classroom, you are making the detailed notes. After that, whenever you will go for the revision, you should sit with the highlighter, so that if you are seeing again any important point, you can highlight also. And even now, those highlighted point will work as in short notes also. So in month of the October or November, when you want to go for the revision, then that time you can start making the the short notes. Okay, so those important or highlighted point will help you for making the notes. And yeah, this is important, don't copy paste in digital notes, means in the PDF. You should not rely on the PDF. If you are just checking the PDF of any other subject, then you should not just copy and paste. Okay, you should use your brain and you should use your own language. That is very important. So that's why I'm just giving you one flow, one example also. Suppose this is your heading, so state of matter, I'm using here the highlighter also. Okay, this is my heading, this is my topics, subtopics, you can see these are my content, and here also I am using the different color pen. So it will be beautiful also, it will be attractive also, and it will be easily understandable also. So every student need to make his or her own written notes. You should not rely on the PDFs, because PDF will be hectic for you. PDF will give you more tension. Okay, how I will revise, I am having lots of the things to revision. So you should not rely on the PDF. And still you guys not join our I Must Gate Academy Telegram group, then go there, join the Telegram group. The link is mentioned in the description box. Join the Telegram group. You will get lots of the features. You will get lots of the options also in our Telegram group. And you guys are preparing for GATE 2025 or 2026, then you can join our live online program where we are providing lots of the availability. You can see here 800 plus hours of the live classes with the live interaction. We are providing the theory book, exercise book also, which is containing more than 4,000 question. Last 34 plus year we are providing the GATE question with the video solutions available. One-to-one mentorship session we are providing, and we are having 130 plus online test with the video solution also. For more details you can directly contact to our student advisory team, as the numbers are mentioned here. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel. Bye bye, take care, thank you.